Alright, so I have the top of the assembly done, I think. Well, the first one at least. I put these saw blade kind of notches in here so that eventually, let me show you with some plastic here. Eventually, I could have a way of missing that hump that I have to get over. Like this, the magnet wants to stop right here because of course we've got the South Pole here and the South Pole here, and the South Pole is pushing against that South Pole. It's also attracted to this North Pole over here, so it doesn't want to go past that point, but it doesn't want to go straight to this because there's of course this South Pole which is much more powerful, going straight out this way than this South Pole is coming sideways. So there's a couple of obstacles there. Anyway, so I was thinking this saw blade might be a way for it to come out and then jump down into the pole, and then come out and sort of miss that attraction point, that hump as I'm calling it, and then I did not just laugh when I said that. Anyway, and then to jump back down and push in toward the motor, and that was, as you can see here, that's when I only had 8 magnets, and I've added 8 more since then. So my next step is going to be to mount this magnet, because it looks like that one is going to be it looks like it's going to work a little better when it's stationary, because every time I just can't hold it still, no matter how hard I try. It moves in my fingers a little bit, and so I'm either losing momentum to my error, or I'm actually pushing it along as I do that manually. So yeah, next step is going to be to make the bottom assembly and get something that I can mount these onto. And I think what I'm going to do, instead of having just 16 exactly equidistant, I'm going to have 15, and each one of them will be like this is 16 centimeters. I'm sorry, this is 16 millimeters here, and each one of them will be 15 I'm sorry, wrong again. It's worked out, but anyway, they're gonna be spaced out equally so that hopefully I can take advantage of this stronger push from each one, so it'll be firing in a counterclockwise motion. So it'll be hitting this one here, and then it'll be hitting the next one, the next one, the next one, all the way around. So we'll see how that works, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, one more thing here real quick. One thing that I've noticed, whoops, I forget that those spikes are on the bottom. If I have no fingers for the next demonstration, you'll know why. One thing that I've noticed is that I'm going to be quiet for a second here while I do this, but you hear that? How you can actually hear it picking up speed, which really gives me hope. Of course, I'm just moving my hand around, so really I'm gonna have to find that exact spot where that happens and figure out why that is. Anyway, there it is right there. Anyway, I just noticed that, so good news.